Open homebrew.sh on your browser and you will find a command for installing homebrew. We have to run this command from Mac OS terminal. So let's open our terminal and paste this command as it is and click enter. Now enter your password and you will see all information of directories which will be created with this installation. So just press enter, that is return button on your Mac, and that's it. The installation of homebrew is completed. We can verify with the simple homebrew command brew list, and if there is no error, it means our installation is successful. Now I will show you an example of how to install any software using homebrew, how to find installation commands. For finding your target software, just once again go to your home screen, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a link to homebrew packages which says formerly.brew.sh, and if you open this link you will see list of softwares which you can install. So for this example, let's say I want to install software called JMeter, so I can just find this link, this command, and if I run this command from terminal, the installation will start. So you can see that JMeter installation has started easily and the installation is done to particular directory. If I go to this directory and find the script in this directory for that software, I can easily open this software or run this software. That's it. You can see that the software is installed and started already.